Traveling alone with a baby can feel like climbing a mountain with no guide. You're not just carrying your luggage, you're carrying your world. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be overwhelming? Today, I'm sharing expert tips that will turn your journey from chaotic to calm, empowering solo parents to travel confidently with their little ones. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Pack smart, not heavy. Start by packing only the essentials. Diapers, wipes, and a change of clothes for both you and your baby should be easily accessible. Consider packing in cubes to stay organized. Trust me, less is more when you're the only one carrying everything. Tip number 2. Choose the right time to travel. Whenever possible, book flights during your baby's nap or bedtime. A well-timed nap on the plane can make all the difference. A sleeping baby equals a more peaceful journey. Tip number 3. Use a baby carrier. Ditch the bulky stroller and opt for a baby carrier. This frees up your hands and makes navigating through busy airports much easier. Plus, babies tend to feel more secure being close to you. Tip number 4. Prepare for security check. At security, take out liquids, fold the stroller if you are bringing it along, and have your documents ready. To make it smooth, wear slip-on shoes and keep baby items like milk or formula in a clear, easy-to-access bag. Tip number 5. Stay calm, stay flexible. Travel plans can change, delays happen, your baby might have a meltdown. Breathe. Babies feed off your energy, so staying calm will help soothe your little one. You've got this. So, if you're considering solo travel with your baby, I encourage you to take the leap. It may seem daunting at first, but with the right mindset and tools, you can create unforgettable memories with your little one. Remember, it's okay to ask for help, and it's okay to not have all the answers. And now, with these tips, you can enjoy the ride, even with a baby in tow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your own solo travel experiences with your baby in the comments below. If these tips helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical solo parent travel advice.